I made a tote bag and I put little stickers and stuff on it, but I hot glued it on. I put on pop, and I found this little dinosaur, so I put it on there. And I found this house and a pumpkin too.
Cool.
And I sewed it together.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, before I thought it was like so hard, I quit on it every time. So now I'm like, you know what, it's so easy.
This time, what made you?
I didn't give up. And I put little pom-pom on it.
So for my counselor, Quinn, I made him a possum. It looks like a mouse, don't judge. And then I made Flounder from The Little Mermaid.
Oh, that's so good. I love that. That's so cute.
And then for my counselor, Gwen, I made her a friendship bracelet because she's been begging for someone to make her a bracelet for like 3 days.
I made Fred.
Frederica.
Yeah, it's for me and my friend Emily. We love making and having fun. So yeah, yay.
I don't even know what I made.
Pillow.
A pillow, yeah. Mine's also a pillow.
Oh, and I made
She
her.
made me this. It's supposed to be a gorilla, but
It looks like a
kind of
bear.
looks like a mouse and a
I'm
gorilla.
not good at art, so don't judge. Like, I
Yeah,
cannot do art
this
to
is
save
for my
life.
friend Emily because, yeah, my friend Emily deserves something. So.
Frederica. No, that's all we
Anything that
made.
you learned? Anything that you?
I learned.
What I learned? I
Yeah.
suck at art.
Okay.
That's what I learned.
What about you?
I learned that I can sew actually because I've never really tried much before, but then, yeah.
Cool. What did you learn?
She learned that she can't sew.
No, I didn't sew. I was just rushing. I learned that I can sew.